Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape in your Samsung Galaxy A53. First of all, open your Play Store and find X Icon Changer application. I'll show you. This one need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install and now click open. Now need choose your application from the list. Maybe YouTube will be nice. So choose application and then from the library choose your icon. This one. Okay, choose icon and then in the top right corner we got OK button. Tap it. Wait a second for generating of new icon and click add button. And we got success message, so go our home screen and here we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.